In this brief screencast, I want to look at how I can tell which of two fractions is larger than another one. So for example, if I have 9/7 and I want to know whether it is larger, smaller, or even equal to 4/3, how would we do so? Well, we've talked quite a bit about how to take any two fractions and make sure that they have the same denominator. In other words, we're going to turn each of these two fractions into equivalent fractions, which we can then easily compare to one another. So let's take a look at 9/7. Suppose I take 9/7 and I multiply the denominator and the numerator by 3, and I get 27 over 21. Now obviously the 3 came from the denominator of the other fraction that we're going to compare 9/7 to. It's the denominator of 4/3. Similarly, I'm going to take 4/3 and I'm going to do the same thing by taking the denominator of 9/7. I'm going to take the 7 and multiply numerator and denominator again. 4 times 7 is 28, 3 times 7 is 21. Now the beauty of this is that I have a way of being able to compare the two fractions, because now I have formed two equivalent fractions that have the same denominator, 21, and all I need to do is take a look now at the numerators, and I see that 28/21, 28/21, is obviously larger than 27/21, which means that 4/3, the original fraction that we started with, is greater than 9/7. So now we have a way of being able to tell whether any pair of fractions, we now have a way of being able to see which of any pair of fractions is larger than or smaller than, or if they're even equal to one another, we have a way of being able to do that.